Okay, now guys, here. First thing, the idea is to learn how to create small groups where you can have split your students into pairs or small groups for them to discuss, or for example, role play the little conversations they have in the book. I have experienced that it is time consuming. I don't know of you, but I find it time consuming to have 3, 4 couples read the same test 3, 4 times. Have you tried to have
Yeah.
your students practice in pairs?
Maybe not all of them, but just one or two couples.
Exactly.
Yes.
And to me,
Right.
it seems unfair that only a few students get the chance to practice the
Exactly.
conversation. So this will help you get all the students work in pairs. This is a student activity. So first thing you have to do, you need to go to Zoom, not the app but the website. This is something you cannot do from the app but from the website. So you go to the website,
Okay.
okay, and then you go to my account. Okay, you go to my account right here. Kelly, can you hear me, Kelly?
Yes, Luis, I can
Erica,
hear you.
Erica,
Yes, sure.
Suleima.
Yes. I can hear you well.
Okay, now here on settings, you go to I mean, I'm sorry, here on my account you go to settings or configuración.
Okay.
Then you look for, I think it's over here in at the meeting basics. Over here, let me see. There is a checkbox that you need to enable. Hold on a second. Let me look for it. Chat, upcoming meetings. No, down here.
Luis, I think it's advanced, I think.
Wait. Let me see because. Okay, hold on a second. 1 minute. Chat groups, this one. It's in my case, it's already activated because I was working on it. So in your case, it must be like this. So you look for all the meetings basic group room. Do you see that?
Yeah.
Look what it says. Group work. Hold on a second.
Allow the host.
Wait. I lost it.
Está explicando cómo hacer la recurrent
Hold on a
meeting
second. Hold on a
para
second.
tienen que tener seguimiento.
Hold on
Bien.
a second. Allow.
No, buenos días.
Was it was in, okay, over here.
Mira,
Hold on a second, guys.
entonces, cómo hacer las recurrent meetings. ¿Por qué? Porque así nada más tienen que tener un solo link.
Luis.
Yes. Right here.
Well, I did it bad at the meeting advance. Is that a
No,
problem?
I got it.
Because the video that you sent, okay.
I got it. It's right here. Group board. Then it automatically enables everything, and the changes are saved. Then once you do this on the website, you go back to the app. You open your icon, the one that you have on your desktop. And now, when you start your session, look what's going to happen.
Luis, could you please silence?
Hold on a second.
Fíjate, nada más hay una sola. Es que ahora mismo solamente
Alfredo is. I need to mute Alfredo because he's.
Yes.
Hold on a second.
Yeah.
I am muted.
Okay. So guys, now here. Now once, unfortunately, I cannot show you the icon, but once you do this, once you activate this, you will see a new feature showing up on your toolbar. It says breakout room. So you open the breakout room, and it shows you the number of participants, and it gives you like a little bar where you can decide how many groups you want to create. So in this case, there are about 6 participants. So I'm going to generate 3 groups, and it will automatically divide the number of participants into the groups that you create. So that means two participants will be in one group each. So I just set it to automatically or randomly arrange the meeting. Now you guys are getting a message. You have to accept it and join the chat. Please do it. Accept the message and join the private chat. Perfect. Go ahead, please accept the message and join your chat.
Okay.
I would like to congratulate the people attending this training session.
Okay.
Sorry to interrupt.
No, it's okay, Ten. It's okay, it's okay.
Okay.
Hey, Luis, I don't see that message. I mean, like to agree or to accept to have the groups.
Hold on a second. Let me manually assign you to one of the groups. I'm going to send a question to the groups. How do you like this feature? Now Juan Sanchez join in. Let's send him to a group.
Oh, Luis, could you please send me back? I'm sorry, I just
All right. Now, guys, could you? Hello, can you hear me? Can you hear me again?
Yeah, good.
Yeah.
Marimon, did you get to join any of the groups?
No.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna try one more time just for Michael to see how it works. Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
Wait, another question. Did you get the questions I was sending to the groups?
Sure,
Yes.
Okay, you can use that feature. For example, if you have, like in my case, I have a course 1 and they are working on personal on information questions, you can have them use the questions. For example, what's your name? And then they start discussing, where are you from? You send them the questions and they answer the question among themselves. Or
Okay.
if it is a more advanced class, you can set the discussion topic in advance. Make sure that all the microphones and videos are checked, and then divide the class. That way you can set 3 minutes, 5 minutes discussion, and then you can also enter each individual session to check what everyone is doing. So I'm going to generate the group one more time just for the new members to see how it works. Just a second. I go here to broadcast breakout rooms. I'm going to
wait a second.
I'm going to
Hey.
create a new one. Yes.
I have a question. I mean, can I do that with my cell phone, or it has to be with a
You can
with
do
a?
it. No. You can do it with whatever you're working on.
Okay,
Now
perfect.
accept the invitation, please. You need to accept the invitation. Accept the
Okay,
invitation,
join.
please.
But where is that invitation?
It should be showing up right there, man. Right there on your screen. It's a message that you get, and you need to accept it. That's it. You don't get it?
Yeah, but I'm not getting that. I'm just.
Wait. But there is a situation here. You appear as not joined. Let me see what's wrong with you. Mute. Ask to start video. Okay. Marimon,
Yes.
did you get Kelly, Suleiman?
Kelly, I'm here.
Ellie's here. Uh-huh. Now I can listen to her.
For some reason, Kelly, Marimon, and Suleiman appear as unjoined, not joined. I need to find out why. Okay, let me finish the session, Marimon.
Okay.
Hey.
This white eye face.
Okay, you guys are back.
It's doing it.
Yes, we're back. But sorry, I'm a bit late. But could you please tell us again how we can, I mean, do this stuff? I mean, like split the
Sure.
rooms or something.
Sure.
I'm just late. Sorry.
Juan, first thing you have to do, you have to go to the. Let me share the screen with you.
Perfect.
Hold on a
Thank you.
second.
Yeah.
Here. The first thing you have to do, you have to open Zoom on your internet browser. For some reason, this is something that cannot be done from your app on your desktop. So you go to Google, and then once there,
Okay.
you go to my account. Okay, right here, my
Okay,
my
perfect.
account, my account. Then you click on setting or configuración,
Okay.
and then you go to from at the beginning, at the meeting basics, something like this, and then you look
Please,
here.
I sent you a message.
Yeah,
Please,
advance, Kelly. I
okay.
got you. Sorry. You click here on
Advance,
all
okay.
meetings advance, and then you slowly scroll down and look for a checkbox that says, hold on a second,
Perfect.
waiting
But
room.
once I do it in my computer, I can do it on my app in the cell phone, right?
Exactly. But I want to show you the checkbox. Give me a second.
Yeah. I'm actually taking
This
screenshots.
one. Group work. Look, allow the host to divide participants into smaller, separate rooms. So you check
Perfect.
this. You enable this checkbox. Once you do it, you can start your regular session without a problem. And now look how it works. On the toolbar that you have at the bottom of the screen, you will see a new feature that says breakout room. You open the breakout room,
Oh,
okay, and hold on a second. It will show the number of participants, okay. All participants will be replaced. Hold on a second.
okay.
Create all rooms. Options. Okay, wait. Make all participants into breakout room automatically. Okay. Now you guys should be getting an invitation to join the group. Are you getting the invitation?
No.
Marimon. Start joining.
No, but probably. Well, I don't really know, but
Wait. Maybe you disable something. Are you working from your computer, from your cell phone?
my cell phone.
Your cell phone. Maybe you disable something, man. But I'm trying to figure it out. Put on hold, hide, rename chat as to start video. You are the only one that appear as not joined. I don't know. I just can't figure it out why. I'm moving you to different groups, but it's not working.
So I'm gonna leave and I'm gonna join again.
Please.
Question for you.
Hey guys.
Are you teaching 1 hour and a half?
Hey Juan, can you hear me?
Hey. Yeah, I
So
can
you
hear
see,
you.
you can use
Perfect.
also this feature to join in your small groups and check on them. Okay. Just
Okay,
How
but
do
we
you
have a
how do
question.
you join to the groups?
I'll show you
Epa.
after I edit the video. I'll show you because I'm recording everything.
Okay.
So later on, I will send you
Okay,
the link to
I just have
YouTube.
one more question for
Sure.
you. I mean, I
Wait,
think this is
Juan,
great, but I have
Juan, take it
more
easy. Ask the question in the group, not here, because I want everyone to listen to your question.
Oh,
okay?
okay,
Thank you,
perfect,
buddy.
perfect,
Thank
perfect.
you.
I get it now. I get it.
I'm out here. Leave breakout room. Return to main meeting. Okay.
And,
Hey guys, can you hear me now, Kelly, Erica?
Sure. Yes, I can hear you.
Erica, later on the video, I'm gonna share the link to YouTube so you can see how I start joining from one group to the other and checking on you, going from one place to the other, sending you broadcasting questions through the chat. But you can see that later on. Okay, I just wanted to see how it works and show you how it works. Okay, I'm going to cancel this and so we can go back to the general meeting. Okay.
sure. Thank you, Luis. You are the best. And where are the rest of them?
No, they have to. They will eventually be kicked out, or they can manually go back to the general session.
Hey.
So guys, you see, once I stop broadcasting the breakout room, you will get a message of how many seconds you have left, or you can decide to manually get out of the room, or eventually you will get kicked out back to the main room. So how do you like this feature?
Oh, it is really nice. I mean, I like it. I mean, you can allow students to interact without you in the middle of them intervening. I mean, it can be a time for them.
Absolutely.
Yeah, and what I was telling Juan, that for example in my case I have 22 students. So how can I make them discuss without hearing a lot of noise? Sometimes one is talking and the other ones want to participate, it's like kidding around. Yeah, so now, that's really perfect.
Another thing I like about breakout rooms is that it eases the noise of having all these microphones activated simultaneously. Once the students or the participant join the private room, it's only those two microphones, so the noise will be reduced automatically. It will be nicer. It will be easier. And you can also you have to tell them in advance what to do. You need to be clear with the directions and tell them that you will be checking on them little by little. Okay. So what was your question?
A question. I mean, like how many students can participate or can join a room?
Up to 100 students. You can split up to 100 students. And Juan and Veronica was telling something about large classes. This is something you can do automatically. You can, for example, Carlos Valiente is already using this, and he told me that he was putting students with the same level in the same group. So, for example, students who were struggling, they were in the same group, and then students who were a little more advanced in a different room, and then he was mixing them up. So you can do it manually, tailor the activity to your class, or you can just do it automatically.
Perfect. I like it. Great. I have a question for you. Right. I just want to make sure I got this clear.
All right.
Now, look, once I enable this feature on my computer, I will be able to do it through my cell phone, right? With my cell phone.
Exactly, or computer, whichever you choose. Cell phone.
Yes, I am actually using my cell phone.
Okay.
But I need to do it. I mean, in my computer first, right?
Online, exactly. You have to go to the website, enable this feature, and then you'll be able to do it on your smartphone. Why is that why is that? I have no idea, but that's how it works.
Okay, perfect. I just wanted to know. Perfect. I'll do it right away.
It's really easy to enable that.
Exactly.
I mean,
but you see, it's just a matter of start playing with this thing, and we start discovering a lot of features. Guys, I want to keep this video as short as possible to encourage other teachers to watch it later on. So let's finish now. Thanks for your attendance. Thanks for your enthusiasm. I'll see you later. Okay.
Thank you.
Bye.
See you later. Goodbye. Thank you very much.
Bye. See you.
Thank you, Luis. Thank you so much.